And here he is, Joachim Dittrich. Joachim, you just launched a new strategy. How does it look like?
Yeah, it looks like that we are planning, or we are working on bringing the R&D world of our customers much closer to the production. So at the end, to speed up the development of products and be faster in the markets with new products, new drugs, and which should at the end help and support the whole human beings around the world.
So you've mentioned some advantages already, but what are the main advantages for your clients?
So for our customers and clients, we have our solution here in the back, which makes it possible to even have products much faster, less waste, so I need less product at the end of the day, and I get a faster quality inspection, so that costs time and less money, of course. So, and what I said already, it is much faster that the drugs will be available for the human beings around the world, and that is meaning that we are shortening the development production times with our new solutions, what we are showing here at the CPHI.
And that basically helps all of us. So let's take a look into this bright future. What's going to be next?
Yeah, this is the strategy we just have launched, and we will follow up on this way. So you will see some new solutions, emulation solutions, so a kind of simulation, which makes it easier to really bring the product quality to the market. And we will further go on in this way. And of course, as you know, Fette Compacting, we are working on new technical solutions. But I honestly have to say that is what we will show on the Interpack next time. And then we talk next time again about this.
We will keep this hidden under the blanket until it's time.
I have to do so.
Yes. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Fette Compacting. Together from lab to production.